This is statistics, lesson 10, part 2. Number 4, if 2,000 people wrote a college entrance exam and 385 scored lower than Peter, what was Peter's percentile rank? Okay, so this one's relatively straightforward. How many people lower? 385. Divide that by 2,000 times 100. And you end up with 19 rounded, so the 19th percentile. Okay, so that would be relatively not good, right? You want closer to 99. Number 5, Boris is selling his house in Saskatoon to move to Maple Creek to start a new job as a nurse. If 250 houses were sold in Saskatoon, 150 cost more than Boris's house, and none were the same price as his house. What was the percentile rank? Now that's key because if they were the same price, we'd have to get rid of that. What was the percentile rank for the selling price of Boris's house? Okay, so if there are 250 houses in total and 150 costs more, how many are below Boris? That's kind of the question here. So what we want to do is just be very careful because let's say Boris is here, and then there's 150 above him. We also have to include the 1 for him because we want everything below. So we're going to go 250 minus 151 because we have to include Boris to get everybody below him. Okay. So now our percentile rank is 99 over 250. So 250 minus 151 is 299. Or sorry, 99 times 100. Boris's percentile rank, he's in the 40th percentile. Remember, round up or down. Number 6, an outdoor sporting goods store in Fort McMurray, Alberta sells gloves of different sizes. The table below indicates the number of pairs of each size sold in the past month. Okay, here's the size of gloves: 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9. Number of pairs: 10, 25, 57, 32, 21, and 8. Donette bought herself size 7.5 gloves. So right here, what is the percentile rank of her hand size? So for this, we want everybody below because she is in the 7.5 group. So everybody below. So there are 10 plus 25, there's 35 people below. And in total, if you go count these all up, you'll end up with 153. So Donette would be in the 23rd percentile, which means she has a pretty small glove size compared to the rest of the pairs that were sold. Donette bought her son size 9 gloves. What is the percentile rank of her son's hand? Well, just a prediction, probably the rank is going to be much higher. So up here is 9. Okay, so we want everything below from here. Okay, and the easiest way to go about this instead of adding these up would be to go 153 minus the 8 to get who's left. And we got 145 over 153. And the percentile rank should be much higher. Her son is in the 95th percentile. So meaning has a pretty big glove compared to the rest. Okay, C. Explain why a percentile rank can never be 100 or greater. Percentile rank is based on how many, and I'm just going to go with people. There are other things like houses and stuff, but well, we can just use the word values then. How many values are below a given value? Therefore, 100% is not possible because there's always going to be that one person at the top, but everybody under that point is not going to reach mathematically 100% because that one person is at the top. Okay, that is the end of lesson 10, part 2.